So next, we're going to learn how to measure voltage. You have to be certain that you're on the correct scale on your meter. Typically, it's going to be symbolized by the letter V and either a wavy line or a straight line next to or under the letter V. The wavy line indicates AC voltage. The straight line indicates DC voltage, such as you would have on your boat coming from the battery. The AC voltage would be shore power related. So you have to turn your meter up to the correct scale. We're set now on DC volts on this particular meter. And I'm going to check the open circuit voltage on one of the batteries on this particular boat. And basically what we're going to do is use our two leads. The black goes to the DC negative. The red goes to the DC positive. On your meter, the red lead gets plugged into a socket which will be indicated by a V, or in this case it's got V in ohms, and the black lead is going to get plugged into the COM or common terminal on the meter. Okay, so we're at the battery. Got my black lead on the negative post, red lead on the positive post, and I'm measuring my DC volts 12.25. Now all that really tells me is the approximate stated charge of the battery. I'm not really measuring anything else. If I wanted to test the alternator voltage output, for example, I would test it with the engine running. In this case, what it is telling me is that the battery isn't fully charged, because if you remember from your text, the fully charged battery is typically going to have about 12.6 volts or more in the open circuit voltage test, such as we're seeing here. But it's a simple positive to negative connection of your meter. In this case at the battery, or it could be at a pair of bus bars somewhere else in the boat, or at a light bulb fixture. We're looking for the red wire and then the black or sometimes yellow wire as the DC negative. It's pretty universal for checking voltage at various points around the boat.